If your UTMs are set manually, you don't have a tracking system. You have hope, and hope doesn't scale. Hey, I'm Alina, and today I'll show you how to install and run my Google Ads UTM automation system step by step. This is for people managing real accounts, where one typo can ruin months of reporting. Managing UTM parameters manually is one of the easiest ways to break your analytics. People forget UTMs, mistype them, or use different naming conventions across campaigns. This script fixes that by automatically setting tracking templates, using dynamic campaign names, and keeping everything consistent across accounts. And the worst part is that UTMs usually fail silently. You discover it when the reporting is already compromised. This system enforces a consistent template for every eligible campaign. UTM source is Google, UTM medium is CPC, and UTM campaign uses the dynamic campaign name. UTM ID uses the campaign ID. So the campaign name stays up to date, and the ID gives you a stable anchor for reporting. So let's check live. You go to your Google Ads account and you click on a campaign and then campaign URL options and see if you have a tracking template at campaign level. After downloading the folder from Gumroad, you have the account level script. You just open it and just copy paste it. Go to your Google Ads account, to tools, bulk actions, scripts. There you would create a new script. Paste here the copied script from the file. Make sure you rename the script to be able to know what it is, and then authorize the script to run into your Google Ads account by giving it permissions. Go on and save the script and then click run. We can choose to run without preview because we have the logs and no changes will be made directly to the accounts unless we change the preview condition. And here, if we click the changes, the log changes, we will see all the changes that will be made at campaign level for each campaign. And if all the changes look good, then you can go to the script and search for the constant preview and turn it into true. That means all the changes will be made to all your campaigns, and then the constant override existing, set it to true if you want the tracking templates to override your current settings, or to false if you don't want to override the settings. And the frequency, you can set it to daily. I choose it daily and save it. And now it will automatically run in your campaigns each day. For MCC level, you just open the MCC script and copy paste it exactly the same way, but now make sure you're at an MCC level account. So you go to your MCC account, to tools, bulk actions, scripts, and create a new script. And here you will paste the copied script from the file and just name your script to be able to know exactly what it is and what it does. After naming the script, just authorize it and save it, and then just run it in preview mode to see if the changes proposed are in alignment with what you want. And here you can see the logs, and you can save the script and schedule it to run it daily. This script is safe to run in live accounts. Preview modes means no changes, only logs. And by default, it also won't override existing tracking templates. Plus, you can protect campaigns with a label called protected, so they're skipped completely. To create a label, go to campaigns, then campaigns, and select the campaign you want to add a label to. Just select it and go to label, create a label, and then you can create this label named protected. By creating this label, the script will not override the campaign URL tracking, and this campaign will be excluded when the script runs. So if you want to use this exact system I'm showing here, it's available on Gumroad. You get both scripts, the account one and the MCC one, plus the documentation, and the link is in the description and in the first comment. And if you're the kind of person who cares about data quality, subscribe. This channel is for you. Bye!